Hello everyone! Welcome back to our series of learning through videos at Pasal. On today's video, we're going to dig into some pairs of antonyms, which you can see in everyday life in conversation. I'm Robbie from Pasal. I'm ready, so let's begin. Huge, tiny, after, before, always, never, arrive, depart, believe, doubt, beneficial, harmful, birth, death, brave or cowardly, timid, brief, long, care, neglect, chubby, skinny, close, open, combine, separate, complex, simple, confess, deny, contaminate, purify, continue, discontinue or stop, convenient, inconvenient, correct, wrong or incorrect, cry, laugh, dangerous, safe, dark, light, dead, alive, destroy, restore, die, live, difficult, easy, disagree, agree, diverse or same or similar, drastic, mild, moderate, dry, wet, early, late, encourage, discourage, enjoy, dislike, enormous, tiny, face, avoid, fake, real or genuine, fast, slow, feasible, impossible, few, many, former, latter, frigid, warm, hot, full, empty, future, past, gloomy, cheery or bright, good, bad or awful, hard, soft, hospitable, unfriendly, humiliate, honor or dignify, independent, dependent or unsure, irrelevant, relevant, join, separate, large, small, least, most, long, short, maximum, minimum, least, minor, major, optimistic, pessimistic, perfect, imperfect, or faulty, poor, rich, or wealthy, possible, impossible, unachievable, precious, cheap or worthless, preserve, destroy or neglect, profit, loss, push, pull, question, answer, quit, continue or remain, sad, happy or glad, sick, well or healthy, smooth, rough, sorrow, joy or ecstasy, successful, failing or unsuccessful, vicious, kind, wealth, poverty, win, lose. Well, I guess that's enough for today's lesson. I hope all of you found that helpful. If so, please don't forget to give it a like so that we can make more interesting videos in the future. And by the way, we're now having a free trial course for new beginners, and it's totally free. So check it out. I'll leave it in the description box below. I'm Robbie from Pasal English Center. See you next time.